Need to fix Instagram music not showing all songs? Then in today's video, I'm gonna guide you with the step-by-step process on how you can fix this issue. First thing first, move into App Store. In the address bar, you need to search for Instagram. Move into the app right here. Over here you can see the option of update, which means that the application is not up to date and it might be the reason that you're facing this issue. Simply click on update and update the app. Once you've got the updated version, the next thing you can try doing is check whether you are connected to stable internet connection or not. Well, if the Wi-Fi is not working properly, then you can use cellular data as well. If not, move into the settings of a device. Inside settings, head over to general, then move into iPhone storage. Move into Instagram app right over here, and then click on Offload app. Once again tap on Offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This will also fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.